Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the vent fan motor on your LG dishwasher. If you are experiencing symptoms like dishes not drying properly, unusual noises during the drying cycle, or persistent moisture inside the dishwasher after the cycle, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful DIY appliance repair guides. Let's get into it. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a power tool with the Phillips bit, a flat blade screwdriver, putty knife, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. The vent fan motor is located inside the door. It's turned on by PCB during the drying cycle and used to assist in drying dishes. Open the door and remove 2 Phillips screws from the mounting brackets at the top of the dishwasher. Pull the dishwasher out and turn it to the left to expose the right side. Using the flat blade screwdriver, undo a pair of clips and pry the PCB control out. Turn it over and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove a single screw and take off the metal cover. To test the vent motor, we need to locate the NA4 plug and the black relay RL3 at the PCB. Insert 1 meter probe in a white pin at the relay and another one into the yellow pin at the NA4 plug. Set your meter to volts AC, V with a wavy line. Plug the dishwasher in and press power, auto, and start buttons at the same time to initiate the self-test mode. All of the LEDs illuminate and we can proceed with the test. Press the start button 2 times. The fan motor should kick on and the meter should display around 120 volts AC. If you don't hear the motor blowing and there is no proper voltage on your multimeter, replace the PCB. If the voltage is present but the motor is a no-blow, you've got a shady vent fan motor. Unplug the dishwasher, open the door, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 long screws on the top and then 6 on the sides and separate the outer and the inner doors. Don't run away with the other door yet. There is still a plug in the upper left corner that needs to be disconnected. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take 1 screw at the bottom right of the duct out and pull the duct off. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the plugs. Then open the door and using a small putty knife, pry off the vent grill. Remove the 3 Phillips screws that hold the vent. Remove the vent fan motor assembly. Remove the gasket from the old assembly. Here's the old vent fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Next, we're going to install the gasket onto this vent fan motor. We got 2 tabs here on the gasket. It goes into this 2 cutouts here. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to place it in. Connect the motor housing with the vent housing. Install the assembly in. Open the door and secure the housing with 3 Phillips screws. Install the vent grill. Make sure it's locked. Close the door and secure the vent at the bottom with another Phillips screw. Connect 2 plugs. Bring the outer door and connect the plug. Install the door, match the holes and secure it with the 10 Phillips screws. The short ones on the sides and the long ones on the top. Install the dishwasher under the counter and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws to the countertop. Turn the water on and plug the dishwasher in. And now you may call your friends and tell them how good you are. Or maybe you shouldn't after all. They may ask you to fix their appliances. Great job tackling that vent fan motor replacement on your LG dishwasher. We would love to hear about your repair journey, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you are still in need of a new vent fan motor or any other parts, just grab your dishwasher's model number and visit us at AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you will be back to spotless, dry dishes in no time. Thanks for letting AppliancePartsPros.com be a part of your DIY adventure, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.